Wow, wow, gas lines. That's where they're going to set the gas meter. Building from the ground up, this is Roger. Gas will go in the house right there. Comes out from the ground, from the street, obviously. They moved some dirt yesterday. We're following the progress of this house from dirt to even post-closing, when in fact, all the good stuff. There's going to be some good stuff even after the fact, which we'll be talking about as we go. So guys, I just want to show you these gas lines, these runs, because the mechanicals, the gas plumber, I don't know what else to call him, spent a lot of time yesterday, and it's beautiful again. I'm sorry, I like stuff like this. I do. So you got a gas line right here coming down, copper tubing down to your fireplace, and then also off to the rear where there's going to be gas for the grill, right, and gas for an outdoor fireplace. Lovely. Very, very good. They also put in the for the dryer vent. This is the dryer vent box. Tells you how many feet of a run that is, and they've got the foam and whatnot going right there. So that's beautiful. But we're going to spend most of our time upstairs, where there's a gas line right there for the stove. Again, they've got the copper line kind of protected from nails and so on. They've got the vent for going out for the cooktop vent, guys. So let's head upstairs. You know, if you're building a new construction home, maybe you're getting a kick out of this. This could help set the expectations for the way stuff happens at your house. Let's go into our HVAC room, which we saw the other day, and I call that a manifold. Maybe there's a different name for that, but this is some pretty fancy plumbing. And they've got the lines running out and marked as to where they go and for what purpose, all the way up. So obviously the gas furnaces, each got a gas line with a yellow valve to shut it off. One's bigger than the other. Probably one for the upstairs, the smaller one, and then one for the downstairs. But this is nice and neat. I like seeing all these runs. Here are the two lines that go out. I know there's a name for it. I don't know where they go. Doggone no. Here's the ones I was thinking about. These go out to the outside to connect to the condenser units for your air conditioning. It's all neat. It's all beautiful in my regard. I love seeing it. It may or may not be completely edifying for you, but it's kind of fun to see all the components of the house come together. Some gas lines right there running through that attic space. So wow. So guys, if you're thinking about it, having a real estate agent who could help you in the transaction all the way along, I think could be really helpful. We do it all the time, my team, and I'm out shooting videos. There's a gas line running again just above the bottom cord of those trusses. So it's plumbing, right? A lot of gas there. This client is even not only having a gas fireplace outside, but also considering some gas lights. So we'll see how that goes. You gotta have HOA approval on stuff. So even to have a hot tub out there, that's being looked at right now by the HOA. So guys, we'd love to help you as you're looking to relocate to Charlotte, build a house, especially my team also is very good at resale. So hey, give me a call, tell me your story, and I'll see you in the next video.